So in this example, we're trying to solve this system with elimination. And a system of equations, we have two equations here, and you notice they each have two variables. So our answer here, we're going to have to figure out what x equals and y equals. Now there's only one set of x and y in the entire world that's going to make this true. Guess and check isn't going to really work out so well for us, because there's just so many different possibilities. So we have to have another way of solving this, right? So let's take a look at it. The basics of solving equations with eliminations comes from the idea that if we have two equations, like 1 plus 3 equals 4, hopefully you don't disagree with that, and 2 plus 7 equals 9, another one that we know are both true. If we have two equations, what we can do is we can add those two equations together, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 4 plus 9 is 13. So if we take two equations that are true, add them together, we're going to be left with another true statement, right? So when we add equations together, we're not losing the equality. So let's see how that plays out for this example. I'm going to take these two equations. Now this is a level 1 problem. If I just add these two equations together, let's see what happens. Well, 3x plus 4x, that'll equal 7x. Negative 4y plus 4y. Now this right here, that's gone, right? That'll turn into 0y, but we don't even have to write that. And 2 plus 12 is 14. That's why they call this elimination, because the negative 4y and the positive 4y, they cancel each other out. Now we have one equation. I'm just going to rewrite it down here. 7x equals 14. We're well equipped to solve this equation. 7x equals 14. I know what I got to do. I got to divide both sides by 7. And what do you know? X equals 2. Like I said, our answers here, we're going to have to figure out what x equals and what y equals. And there's only one set of numbers in the entire world that's going to make that true. So I got halfway there. So what I need to do is I need to go back to the beginning. Pop, 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 pop. I need to go back to the beginning. I have both equations. Now, I can choose either one of these equations to plug it back into to see what my y is. So I'm going to take this x, and I'm just going to choose the top equation. So I'm going to plug that. Let me actually plug it into the right place. I'm going to plug that in for the x right there. And watch what that top equation becomes. This becomes 3 times 2 minus 4y equals 2. So now this is an equation. Now there's only one variable. Anytime I have an equation with one variable, I can solve that thing. So it's 6 minus 4y equals 2. I need to subtract 6 from both sides. Now be careful there. That's a negative 4y. So negative 4y equals negative 4. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. And I'm going to get y equals 1. As a challenge to yourself, rewind the video and see if you can plug 2 into the other equation. You should get 1 as well, right? That's the definition of the answer to the set. All right.